So today, we are going to cook an affordable baked sushi. As we all know, baked sushi is very popular now here in the Philippines. And I chose to make affordable because ingredients to make sushi is actually kind of pricey. So I decided to make an affordable one. So our ingredients to make this dish will include cucumber, mango, imitation crab, Japanese mayo or the Kewpie, any mayo that you have in your house, any kind of cream cheese, salt, of course the rice, and chili powder. So we first cut off the cucumber into slices. So we're just going to use about 1/4 of the cucumber that I bought. Then we are going to remove the seeds from the sliced cucumber and then chop it into cubes. Then, peel off the mango and chop it into cubes as well as with the imitation crab. Then, we have here the cream cheese. It should be in room temperature so that it'll be easier for us to mix it later with the other ingredients. Or you could use any kind of cheese. It could also be used. But I prefer cream cheese. Then, you add regular mayo as much as the cream cheese. Lastly, you add the Japanese mayo or the Kewpie. This should never be out because it really gives you the taste of the sushi or maki. And then, mix well. So we now add our chopped ingredients to our mixed mayo and mix it really well. Then you can always add Japanese mayo as preferred, especially when you feel like your ingredients is drying up, so you can always add more mayo. So chili powder is actually very optional and it depends upon your preference. I just wanted to try if the McCormick chili powder will work well with our dish. Then, set it aside. So we now work on with our rice. Since we don't have any rice vinegar, we're just using salt and a touch of lemon juice. Then mix it very well. It actually works well too. So we now prepare our pan for our dish by greasing it with just some mayo. So we now lay the rice on our pan. So actually we're just using regular rice with more water than usual so that it'll be sticky like texture, just like the Japanese rice. So on top of that, we now add our mixed mayo with mango, imitation crab, and cucumber. And we just add it on top, and we are now ready to garnish it. So since we can't find any furikake, we just use the seasoned seaweed sheet that we will be using to wrap it later. And it actually tastes pretty well, so I think it can be used as an alternative seasoning for our baked sushi. So for our final touch, we just add Kewpie for our top garnish, and our dish is now ready to go inside the oven toaster. So as you could see, our dish is now inside the oven toaster, and I'm using the Astron oven toaster and set the timer for about 7 minutes. So this is now our finished product, and let's get ready to dig in. So actually, this is the finished product where we put the chili powder, and it actually tastes better than the other normal tub where we did not put chili powder. And as you can see, they like it. They really love the finished product, and I hope you like and enjoyed this video. And if you do, please click the like button, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and enjoy future videos. Thank you.